Hello everyone, how to totes back with another new video. So today I'm gonna share with you how you can install and download a Loki social network in your device. So that's why you have to go Google Play Store if you're an Android user, then or you can go to App Store if you're a iPhone user, then search on the search bar Loki social network. So it's similar to Instagram. It's Instagram alternative. So you can see Loki social network. Okay, so it's 78 megabyte and it's recently launched. It's the end of the 2022, but in this time 100k reviews. So you can download, simply click install. It takes few moments to install in your device. So okay friend, today is Noma and thank you for watching the video.